Hello everyone. Welcome to Ashiq Medicine Info, your trusted channel for medicine information and health awareness. In today's video, we will talk about ScabFREE Lotion, which contains Permethrin 5%. In this video, I will explain what ScabFREE Lotion is, its uses, how to apply it, dosage instructions, side effects, precautions, and its approximate price. So watch the video till the end to get complete information. What is ScabFREE Lotion? ScabFREE Lotion is a medicated skin lotion that contains Permethrin 5%, which is commonly used to treat a skin infection called scabies. Scabies is caused by very tiny mites that live under the skin. These mites cause severe itching, redness, and small rashes on different parts of the body. Permethrin works by killing the mites and their eggs, which helps to eliminate the infection completely. Uses of ScabFREE Lotion. ScabFREE Lotion is mainly used for the treatment of the following conditions: scabies infection, skin itching caused by mites, skin irritation due to parasitic infestation, mite infections in both adults and children. Doctors often recommend this lotion because it is very effective and safe when used correctly. How does Permethrin work? Permethrin belongs to a group of medicines called antiparasitic agents. It works by affecting the nervous system of mites, which causes paralysis and eventually kills them. As a result, the mites cannot survive on the skin, and the infection gradually disappears. How to apply ScabFREE Lotion? Using this lotion correctly is very important for effective treatment. Follow these steps. First, take a bath or shower and dry your body completely. Then apply ScabFREE Lotion on the entire body, starting from the neck down to the feet. Make sure to apply the lotion between fingers, toes, under the nails, armpits, waistline, private areas. In children, doctors may advise applying it to the scalp and neck as well, because mites can hide there. Leave the lotion on your skin for 8 to 12 hours, usually overnight. After that, wash it off with water and soap in the morning. Important treatment advice. For best results, use the lotion only once, unless your doctor recommends repeating it. All family members who have close contact should also be treated. Wash clothes, towels, and bed sheets in hot water to prevent reinfection. Dosage. Usually, one full application is enough for most people. However, in some cases doctors may recommend a second application after 7 days if symptoms continue. Always follow your doctor's instructions. Possible side effects. Most people use this medicine without any serious problems, but some mild side effects may occur, such as mild burning sensation, skin redness, temporary itching, skin irritation, dry skin. These side effects usually disappear on their own after some time. If you notice severe skin reaction, swelling, or allergy, stop using the lotion and consult a doctor immediately. Precautions. Before using ScabFREE Lotion, keep these precautions in mind. This lotion is for external use only. Do not apply it on eyes, mouth, or open wounds. Avoid using excessive amounts. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before use. Do not use if you are allergic to Permethrin. Approximate price. The price of ScabFREE Lotion 60 ml in Pakistan may vary depending on the pharmacy, but its approximate price is usually around 150 to 160 Pakistani rupees. Final advice. Remember, scabies spreads easily through close skin contact, so early treatment is very important. Use the medicine exactly as prescribed and maintain proper personal hygiene to avoid reinfection. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Ashiq Medicine Info, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming health and medicine videos. If you have any questions about this medicine, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.